Meaning of funnel.
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 Funnel. A funnel is a tool used to direct and channel substances or data into a specific location or container. It is typically wider at the top and narrower at the bottom, allowing for a more efficient flow. The term funnel can also be used in a metaphorical sense, such as in marketing, where a sales funnel is a model that represents the journey potential customers go through before making a purchase. In this context, the funnel directs prospects through various stages towards the ultimate goal of conversion. Overall, funnels are objects used for directing and guiding substances or data towards a desired destination.